Hi friends, today I am going to explain how to do bark grafting and why to do bark grafting and where to do bark grafting. So bark grafting is done on big mango trees which are not giving too much fruit, or those trees which are not giving the qualitative mango fruit which you like, because the result of that, you can say, bark grafting is already shown as at the starting of the video already, where means I am standing in parrot color shirt. Now we have cut this big tree which was already grafted by me before 25 years, but that mango quality san was given to me by telling that that was hapus. But after growing that grafting san, I got mangoes. The size was very good. It was about, you can say, 300 to 350 grams in weight, meaning 1 kg. Only 3 or 4 mangoes we get, but the taste was not too much superior. Only it was used for the pickle purpose. So in such type of mango trees, what we have to do, instead of cutting from the bottom, we can change the variety of the mango by this bark grafting method. You have to cut these mango trees from 4 feet above the ground, or if there are branches, consider that after 4 or 5 feet, 3 or 4 or 5 multiple branches are there. At that time you can say graft each and every branch by this way. The method is same. Bark grafting means you have to keep the cyan or fit the cyan in the bark of the branch of or the stem. So now we cut this, you can see, stem, and now that is outer part, that is the bark, it is called cambium part of the tree, and inside that, you can say, there is hardwood. Now why we had, you can say, finished those, took out the bark, dried bark, understand, of that bark. Why? Because it was 20 years age old plant, and that's why it was very tough to, you can say, prepare such type of vertical cuts of, you can say, 5 to 6 centimeter long downwards from the, you can say, top portion. So how many, you can say, such a way you have to give deep cut, vertical cuts, understand, by taking steel knife which we use at our home in the kitchen. So do not use folding knife, it is very troublesome. So insert that thin blade which we use for, you can say, thermocool cutting purpose. It can go and touch to the hardwood, to such a way how many vertical cuts you have to prepare on the trunk or on the branch, that it depend upon the circumference or the width of that mango branch, or you can say mango tree. So such a way, after you can say 3 to 4 inch, you have to give two vertical cuts deeply, by such a way that the knife should touch the hardwood, and after that you have to lose that, you can say, bark. by taking two knives by penetrating it. And what type of liquid you are using here? This is the solution of, you can say, fungicide. So instead of that, you can take a powdery fungicide. You can say powder of fungicide in the central. Why? Because due to, you can say, avoid fungus in future, means after completion of process. Now we are inserting by losing such type of patches of bark. You have to lose all the patches under vertical patches with a, by knife. Already you are looking there. Now after that you have to select the cyan. My cyan selection videos, how to select cyan in English, those videos are you can say uploaded by me. So many videos are there how to select. So cyan selection is should be proper, otherwise you will not get the result. As means I fitted or I shifted here 8 sands, understand? So those sands were not proper, and that's why I did not get 100% success, but I got 4 sands success. But due to, you can say, as they grown, understand, and they were affected by, you can say, some insects, and I sprayed cypermethrin, and due to that cypermethrin, yeah, I means face problem, and that's why all the means branch science were died. But two science result I got there. And now as you means saw at the starting of video, those two science branches are there already. Now they are of 7 months old, but due to that problem they could not means grown well. Now after that you have to means tight all the science or the stem, you can say, by using such type of a thick polythene which has elasticity. And this plastic, you can say, width, you can say, is 3 to 3 inch about, that is the width, and the thickness is 50 microns, 51 or 50 microns thickness is having thickness having that polythene. So such a way tightly you have to bind, or you can say wind, the total part in circumference face, understand, up to top level. Now look there, and the top portion means it is coming out of the top portion, by which it can cover also the top part of some of the top part, and then tight it, understand, tight it, tie with that same polythene by stretching the end, understand, due to elasticity, the end part is converted into thread like structure, and insert that end in the old winding part. Such a way your means winding of, you can say, after that you have to take thread, jute thread, or jute rope, such a way, and tight completely, understand, airtight, understand, completely. Mm, completely. One After tightening or after binding, you have to spread such type of a polythene on the top part, uh, 2 to 3 or 4 strips of polythene, such a way, because you cannot means cover that top part by a single polythene, because whenever means you will means, you can say, cover that top part, you have to means encircle the science part also where they are shifted. So such way, now look the procedure, and at the end I did not mean shown you. After completion of, you can say, this process, you have to give, you can say, cap size structure which of polythene, by which, you can say, total sand should be covered, by which means rainwater should not be take entry. But as you means cover again by total sand by any polythene bag, in invert polythene, you have to means make holes, 3 or 4 holes to that polythene, understand? So after, you can say, covering this top part, so such type of videos are there. You can search my videos, they are not in English language, so you can search such a way ki bark or cleft graft, oblique cleft grafting on big mango trees, such type of heading whenever you will mean upload on my channel, or by Sunil Kumar Mutkure, so you will get so many videos, successful as well as process also. Now we have covered the topmost part, and now we will again bind this portion by that 50 microns strip, which has means, you can say, 2 inch or 2 inch or 1 inch, you can say, width, by which such a way you have to wrap again or wind that total part. Now, as you are looking this video, and if you like, then do not uh, forget to like or subscribe my channel. And for subscribing my channel, you have to click bell icon, by which you can get my videos, but I will try, my most of the videos are in Hindi.